Anastasia?
Chekry.
Wicked. These are your favourite things? Number one.
My family. My family.
Oh, yes, of course. But given to you by me on this list. Number one, favourite musician, band, artist, currently, and for all time. It's not going to be easy. I didn't say it was going to be easy.
Dragons.
The Dragon or Dragons?
The Dragon.
Is it the Dragons or is it just Dragons? Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
You like them right now. That's who you like.
I can say that I like read books more than music.
Is that right?
Yeah.
You're a bookish girl.
Yeah.
So of all time then, musician, if you have to listen to one person's oeuvre, one artist's work.
Okay, Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with the king of pop. Number two. Okay, favourite song, album. It's the same thing. I'm not letting you get out of that. Favourite song and then album.
Okay.
Now and of all time.
Shit.
What are you listening to now? Anything?
Something like Russian.
Okay, give me your favourite book.
Dan Brown.
Dan Brown now?
Yeah.
And then for all time?
I can say that it's Anna Karenina.
I was going to say Anna Karenina, because it's the only one I know. But it's not a classic for no reason. It's an amazing book. Leo Tolstoy.
Yeah.
Anna Karenina.
Yeah.
Wicked. Is Tolstoy the greatest Russian novelist?
What?
Is Tolstoy the
Tolstoy.
greatest? He's the greatest Russian novelist.
One of.
Is he better than Dostoevsky for you?
I think so, yeah. I prefer
You
him.
do?
Yeah.
Do you read the poets like Gogol and all of those guys? Not so much.
Not so much.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's keep with Leo. Okay. Favorite TV show? Do you watch TV?
The American Next Top Model. With Tyra Banks.
Tyra?
Yeah, I like her a lot.
You do?
Yeah. Then I just started modeling. I watched all of the
The series?
Yeah, the series. Yeah.
And was that one the best out of it? Because it's a whole huge international brand now. Every country has its own.
I know. Yeah, but I prefer American.
Was that the original one?
Yeah.
It was. Original and best. Good old Tyra. Inspired how many thousands and thousands of girls across the world, that show. Amazing, right?
Yeah.
Would you
it's
like to be
incredible.
on it as a judge?
Yeah, I thought about it. Then I just started.
A model I photographed a couple of years ago. She's Swiss. Her name is Manuela Tatiana Frey. She just this week or last week got to be the presenter for Switzerland's Next Top Model.
Wow.
Isn't that amazing for her?
That's amazing.
You're going to do it for Russia.
Yes, I
will. You will.
I hope so.
You're so good for that. Okay, favourite actor?
Oh, shit.
And not favourite character from a novel.
Favorite actor? I think it's...
He can be Russian.
Okay, I think... You know the Night in the Museum? The film?
Yes.
And the actor?
You're going to say... What's his name?
You know?
Of course I do. I know him as Monkey Boy.
Oh, yes.
But it's
He's...
I can't remember his name.
But you know what
I
I'm
know
talking
exactly
about.
what the Fockers. Meet the Fockers. Meet the Fockers. Have you watched that series of comedy films?
Yes.
Of course.
Yes,
What's his
of
name?
course.
It'll come to us.
Yeah,
Keep thinking. Favorite actress? Do you prefer comedy to drama?
comedy.
Favorite actress?
Angelina Jolie.
Although she's not very funny.
I know, but she's beautiful. She's beautiful.
She's beautiful. Favorite model? Here we go.
Adriana Lima.
Yeah,
Yes.
totally.
I saw her and I talked with her and
Was she extremely beautiful?
She's super beautiful and she has amazing personality. That's two
Yes.
amazing things. Yeah. It's important that the person is beautiful not only inside and outside as well.
Double whammy with Adriana. You get it, the whole package.
Yeah.
Favorite designer of fashion attire?
John Galliano.
Genius.
Sure.
Shout out to John. I know John. I was there early days. John's first Paris show with Kate and the end of the supermodels. So people like Karen Mulder and Yasmin Ghauri and Eleanor Christensen and Little Kate. And he didn't have that much money. So he was there was a lot of lingerie, and those girls were sick in their lingerie. It was a very informative experience for a young man, is all I can say. It was great.
Yeah, he's
It was a highlight. It was great. Favorite accessories: shoes, bags, sunglasses, merch.
I think it's rings.
Shoes.
Rings.
Okay, jewelry.
Jewelry.
Favorite jewelry brand.
Cartier.
Love it.
Me too. Expensive, but
Yeah.
beautiful.
You deserve it. Bags.
You mean the?
Yes, brand of bag that you would
I
like.
Chanel bags.
Chanel, the classic Chanel bag.
This classic, yeah, classic is always.
It's always good.
Yeah, it's always
And the shoes.
the best. Something comfortable.
So not a fashion brand.
I like Marc Jacobs shoes.
Yeah.
And Calvin Klein. Yeah.
Love it. Okay. Makeup. Do you wear it?
Sometimes, yeah, I like highlighter. It's my favorite thing to put on.
Yes.
And I just think that if you're eating healthy and good food, your skin will be nice and you will not have a problem. So just minimum of cosmetic. And
Do you have one cosmetic concealer? Did you say no highlighter? Which is
Highlighter.
it? From which brand?
Benefit.
Never heard of that one.
But it's good. It's good for young skin.
Yeah.
And it's super shiny and it's
Ooh,
nice.
I like
It
that.
looks nice.
Benefit.
Yeah.
It's a make called Benefit.
Yeah. In Sephora or you can
Okay,
buy some.
I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna look that up.
Yeah.
Favorite perfume?
Chloe by Chloe.
It's Chloe by Chloe.
Yeah, it's really my favorite. I always put it in.
Will you wear that forever?
I don't know. You never know. You can say
You can't say that.
yeah.
But you've worn it for a while.
Yeah, I think so.
Favorite shop for anything?
Okay, I can say that it's maybe not. You don't know about it, but the name is S Deer. It's in Paris and it's amazing stuff. It's not super expensive, but they have amazing the black, white, gray colors. It's just for models. I think it's really long jeans and some jackets, and it's really cool. You should check it. It's
Okay.
amazing.
And how do you spell that?
S Deer.
S deer, as in the animal.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not I don't like Zara or H&M because it's nothing special because
it's
you can
nothing
see the models in the same outfits everywhere.
Yeah, you recognize the Zara ones.
Yes.
That's so funny. As a Zara shopper yourself.
Just
Takes one to know one.
Just one piece. It's fine. It's basic. It's
Exactly. Okay. Favorite online shopping experience? Do you do that?
I like online book for books. It's
Yeah.
Ozon.
Amazon.
No, Amazon is here and Ozon is in Russia.
Is it?
Yes, it's a good website for books and you can choose
Fabulous.
it's cool.
Love it. Favorite city, place to live?
New York,
Your home.
for sure.
Could you live here?
Yes, I wish to live here with my family, but for the moment I'm living with my friend.
Is it conceivable that your mother and father move here?
Considering?
Is it possible that they move to be with you?
I don't think so because my father he works in Russia and it's impossible.
When he retires?
Maybe after, then he will stop his work. So maybe it can be possible.
That would be nice. Favorite restaurant?
Seafood restaurant. It's
Wow.
in Italy, in Milan or in Venice. Yeah, I remember one. It was amazing for the people who have the
Gondoliers?
Gondoliers. Yeah, I think it's the best restaurant if you can see the gondoliers inside the restaurant because they really know there is the fresh fish and
Whoa.
it's cool.
You don't remember the name?
No, it was just a small
my
street,
God.
but it was incredible.
That's amazing. I love the mystery of that as well. Venice, gondoliers, Don't know the name.
Yeah.
That's great. That's very mysterious.
Yeah.
Favorite holiday destination? Where would you go on holiday? And favorite hotel?
I like Dubai.
Do you?
Yes, I went with my father for 2 weeks. I think it was break. I just said that to all my agencies that, sorry guys, I need a break.
Yeah.
2 weeks I will be out and sorry. And it was amazing without internet.
Wow.
Because I didn't use my telephone.
That's incredible in,
Yes.
in and of itself.
It was amazing, really. You can just chill and enjoy the natural and yeah.
You liked Dubai. What was the hotel? You don't remember, do you?
No, I don't remember.
Expensive though. Yeah.
Sometimes.
Yes. Where daddy's concerned, there is no expense spared.
Yeah. And I was proud because I paid for it by myself.
Oh, you did? For him?
It was like a present for
Nice.
us. Yeah.
What a great daughter. Yeah, I hope my daughter does that for me.
Do you have a daughter?
This one. She's 10 now.
No.
Going on 11. Going on 35.
Cool.
Favorite exercise?
Squats and jumpings.
Squats.
And burpees. And
What are
planks.
burpees? That sounds...
You don't know?
No, what's a burpee? You know burping. You know what burping is in English?
Burpees.
Is
No. Burpee is then you are doing squat after you're doing plank, after you're doing this
Oh, shit.
exercise, after jumping and
That's a burpee.
Burpee.
Shit, so it's squat, plank, push up.
Push up, squat and jump.
Wow. You must be strong. But you were a dancer anyway.
Yeah.
Strong
it's
core.
Nothing for me.
It's nothing for you. You're superwoman. All right,
So-
favorite animal pet?
Animal pet, like a dog or
Yeah, or it doesn't have to be a pet. It can be just your favorite animal.
Okay.
Let's do both.
Tiger.
Why not?
Tiger. I was born in the tiger.
Year of the tiger.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
like
see that.
tiger, but I have a dog, the small dog, so I like dogs a lot.
That's so cute. What's his breed? What breed is he? What kind of dog?
I like the smallest one, Yorkshires.
He's a Yorkshire Terrier.
Yeah.
He's a Yorkie.
Yes.
Are they snappy?
Yes.
Yeah. They drive you crazy?
Yeah. She's 15 years old.
She's
right now.
old lady.
She's super old. She's
Oh my
like-
god.
Yeah, she's
Oh, that's great.
crazy. She's
What's her
nice.
name?
Julia.
Julia.
Yeah.
Wicked. Shout out to Julia. Bless her. Granny Julia.
Yes.
And then favorite social media. Is it important to you?
Yes.
What do you do?
I think it's important, and I'm using Instagram only. I don't like Facebook or Twitter or
Anything
Telegram.
else?
I don't. Yeah, I'm using just WhatsApp, but it's just for messages and
Hmm.
Instagram. Yeah, I think it's important because I can show my life to people, and yeah, it's good that we can connect. And they ask me a lot of questions like about my food, about my trainings, about my style, and yeah, it's good. It's a good thing, I think.
To have that feedback
Yeah.
with
Yeah.
people who like you and an audience.
Yeah, it's I really like it.
Do you work at it? Is it something that you're conscious of and that you have to post a particular...
I don't have
No.
no. I'm just then I have a good mood. I'm just posting
Yes?
something. Yeah, and I really. Sometimes I ask my friends to do the pictures for Instagram,
Yes.
but yeah, it's just like it's my hobby and not concentrate. I don't want to be like blogger or
Yes,
Insta
right.
girl. You know, it's
Yes,
like
exactly. You don't
hate-
care that
No,
about that.
no.
Anastasia, it took us 3 goes to get together. It was the 3rd time lucky.
Yes,
Because of
first lucky
scheduling
time.
problems and double bookings at some point and misunderstandings between bookers and photographers. But I'm so glad you persevered.
But it
Your
happened finally.
determination and mine made it happen. And I'm so happy that you came today,
Yeah.
that you shared so much of yourself.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You're amazing.
I'm so happy too that it happened finally.
Yes,
and
you're
yeah.
wicked. And your joy and happiness is infectious. And the two of us are very happy together.
Thank you so much.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.